Hey guys, what is up? It's Laura here, back with another video. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm. So I'm out of breath right now. So I don't have the Boxycharm subscription. I have to do some social media work, like a TikTok for them. But these are some items that I got, and I'm very, very excited to show you guys what is inside this package. I actually forgot what's in it, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. Okay, so this is their black packaging. I got that's a little bit torn. Oh well. So I got these two items. The first item is the 111 Skin Harley St. London Pollution Defense Booster. Looks like the mailman wasn't that nice to this package, but oh well. So this is what it looks like. I'm very excited to try this. Let's see what it says. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to your skin after cleansing. And then this item is called, I think it's Bryod, New York. Bitter Green Essence Toner. Look how beautiful that toner is. So you use this after cleansing. Gently sweep Bitter Green Essence Toner over the face and neck using your fingertips. Apply morning and night. Can be used daily. I'm so excited to try these products out. Thank you so much, Boxycharm. I am so excited to give these a go. I'll go ahead and link Boxycharm and these two companies so you guys can go check them out for yourself. But I think these are going to be super fun to play with.